Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about a very important topic, Google Payment Centers. Your India tax info is missing a GSTIN. Add a GSTIN that matches the state in your billing address, otherwise you would not receive GST compliant invoices and you may also be taxed at a higher rate. Such type of message you are receiving in your AdSense Google Payment Center in your AdSense account, then we will show how to fix this issue or how to resolve this issue. Simply go to show tax details. Here click on update tax info from the top right side. Here submit new form. If you start a new form, your previously submitted form will be removed. Click on start new form. Here under business info, click on a small arrow and you will see two options here. Also you can see India tax info missing GSTIN message. You are receiving a alert message as an alert message. So simply go to business info page and here you will find two options: registered individual. If you are a registered individual, if you having a GST number, then simply enter your GST number here. And if you are using Google Payment Center as an individual, then choose unregistered individual and click on next. On the next page, here your PAN number is entered here. Simply click on submit and your error message, your India tax info error alert will be removed accordingly.